You think that green paper and pocket mean treasure? Ha, Gurucha laugh. It not shiny metal, it not magic rock. It just tree skin with fancy ink. Long time ago, humans trade gold for goods. Then year 1971, Big Chief Nixon say, no more gold backing, too heavy to carry. Boom, dollar become promise, not treasure. Imagine you give neighbor a leaf and say, this leaf buy me burger. If tribe trust leaf, you eat burger. If tribe stop trust, you chew dry leaf for dinner. Look at that $20 bill. Fancy green picture, but real value, same as a grocery receipt, just decorated tree skin. The only reason the cashier smiles and hands you coffee is because every person in the tribe agrees to one giant promise. This paper equals stuff. That promise is the campfire. We all sit around it, nodding, warming hands. If the tribe stops believing, even for a day, the fire dies, and that paper can't buy a single berry. So when you spend dollars, you're not moving paper, you're trading trust. Big invisible trust. That's the real currency. Brain spark yet? Good. Listen, smart hunter. Dollar live because humans believe tribe leader keep promise. Government say, this paper good for all debts, public and private. Everyone nod like sleepy buffalo. That faith feed the whole economy. Think about your grandma's house. She buy it for 30,000 clams back when disco alive. Today that price maybe get you used minivan with funky smell. Why? Because more paper printed, same number of houses. Scarcity of shelter plus rivers of dollars equals price go whoosh. Remember 2008? Banks fall like weak Hudson storm. Remember 2020? Printing presses roar like angry mammoth to keep humans buying coffee and toilet paper. Inflation creep in like silent saber tooth. You not watch. You wake up and your morning latte costs $2 more. That invisible belief system reach inside wallet while you sleep. Basically, money is campfire built on trust. If wind of doubt blow hard, whole tribe shiver. Before you panic and bury cash under mammoth bones. Listen, fiat money not all bad. It let big tribe leaders fight crisis without dragging wagons of gold through streets. When plague hit in 2020, government make new dollars faster than caveman make smoke signals. Tribe keep buying bread, lights stay on. But, big but, look at faraway tribes like Zimbabwe or Venezuela. They print paper like crazy, trust vanish. Price of simple corn explode like volcano. You need backpack of bills for one chicken wing. That would happen when belief break. Think of dollar like invisible Wi-Fi. Everyone agrees signal strong, economy stream smooth. Lose signal? No Netflix, no burger, just chaos and yelling. So system good until humans forget math or leaders get greedy. Then boom, tribe wake up and paper only good for starting fire. Here are the big fire truth. US dollars stay mighty only because whole world tribe believes the story. Most trade between faraway tribes, food, metal, even shiny gadgets, still swapping dollars, even though no gold hide behind it anymore. From giant banker moving mountains of money to kid buying sneakers on glowing screen, every trade hums same chant. We trust this paper promise. It like huge camp treaty. No shiny rock needed, just belief that United States stay mighty and keep promises. That collective faith bigger than any mountain of metal. So when you swipe card for burger or send rent online, you join silent ritual. Whole planet nod together. That's the real gold, giant brain agreement. You not powerless caveman. You can guard your own hot. Learn how Federal Reserve play drum of interest rates. Spread savings. Don't put all berries in one basket. Watch prices, understand inflation, keep eyes open like hunter at night. Next time you tap card for fancy latte, remember, you're not just buying caffeine, you helping keep the trust fire alive. Every sip part of big human story of belief. That all. Me make more soon. You subscribe or me sad. Gurucha vanish now. Poof.